Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to invest in S&P 500 on eToro. So yeah, let's go straight into it. Now, you already know if you want to invest into S&P 500, what this basically is. So now what you need to do here in the search bar, type in S&P 500 and you will see VOO Vanguard S&P 500 ETF. So I think this one is pretty much at the top of people using it. So click on it like that. All right, so right here you have you can also see charts. You can also see news, analyze financials. All right, so to trade on it, what you need to do here at the top right corner, you will hit trade button and now you will type in the amount of this, how much you want to invest. So let's say $1,000 stop loss. I will put something like 250, or let's say like that. And yeah, this is pretty much it what you need to do. And then just hit buy. And yeah, this is it. So now you have successfully invested in S&P 500. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.